Let's learn Pacific listening words. Days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Weekdays, weekend. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Money matters: cash, debit, credit card, check, in advance, annual fee, monthly membership, interest rate, deposit, tuition fees, poverty, bank statement, money management, current account, student account, withdraw, low-risk investment, mortgage, grace period, budget deficit, retail voucher, coupon. Counterfeit money, public money, taxpayers' money, debt, interest-free credit, purchase, partial refund, annuity, non-refundable, MasterCard, Visa, distribution costs, income, finance department, family finances, duty-free store. Subjects: science, politics, history, biology, architecture, law, geography, archaeology, literature, business management, agriculture, statistics, mathematics, logic, physics, psychology, anthropology, economics, philosophy, performing arts, visual arts, chemistry, humanities. Studying at college, university: course outline, group discussion, handout, written work, report writing, research, proofreading, experiment, experience, reference, textbook, dictionary, laptop, printer. Student advisor: teamwork, module, topic, assessment, library, department, computer center, classroom, lecture, tutor, main hall, attendance, deadline, give a talk, speech, computer laboratory, certificate. Diploma: placement test, overseas students, full-time, facilities, college, dining room, specialist, knowledge, international, accommodation, homestay, primary, secondary, intermediate, media room, resources room, staff, commencement, dissertation, leaflet, faculty, pupils, pencil, feedback, tasks, outcomes, advanced, introductory, extra background, higher education, guidelines, post-secondary, supervisor, bachelor's degree, compound, vocabulary, student support services, student retention, publication, foreign students, schedule, school reunion, registrar's office, stationery. Marketing: catalog, interview, newsletter, competition, TV program, strategies, research method, entertainment industry, leadership, management, display, products, customer, special offer, collecting data, questionnaire, survey, mass media, statistic, profit margin, poll, business card, training, trainee, merchandise, manufacture, recruitment. Health: yoga, tai chi, keep fit, salad bar, vegetarian, outdoor activities, leisure time, disease, meal, protein, balanced diet, food pyramid, vitamin, carbohydrates, rice, pasta, potatoes, pizza, tomatoes, bread, cereals, minerals, zinc, meat, seafood, eggs, beans, milk, cheese, yogurt, fruit, vegetables, citrus fruits, green pepper, blackcurrant, nuts, egg yolk, liver, medicine, treatment, remedy, nursing care, nursery, regular exercise. Nature: field, footbridge, environment, waterfall, river, mountain, forest, village, coast, reef, lake, valley, hill, cliff, island, peninsula, earthquake, avalanche, tornado, typhoon, desertification, volcano, disaster, catastrophe, erosion, landslides, storm, flood, hurricane, pond, jungle, oasis, dam, canyon. The environment: greenhouse effect, acid rain, global warming, carbon dioxide, burning fossil, exhaust fumes, deforestation, nitrogen oxide, smog, climate, pollution, temperature, power plants, landfill, cattle, wind turbine, shore power, hydroelectric power, renewable, source of energy, reliable, solar panels, environmentally friendly, oxygen, chemical-free, desert, degradation, vegetation, sea level, ocean currents, soil conditioner, coal, fossil fuels, firewood, drought, contaminated. The animal kingdom: birds of prey, seabirds, poultry and game, mammals, cetacean, whale, primates, rodents, fish, amphibian, reptile, insects, octopus, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, livestock, creature, lion, penguin, plants, mushroom, fungus, leaves, seed, core, bark, trunk, twig, branch, flower, stem, roots, cluster, fertilizer. Continents: South America, North America, Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Countries: Egypt, Mexico, France, Indonesia, Turkey, England, Germany, China, Greece, Brazil, India, North Korea, India, Malaysia, New Zealand, Nigeria, Pakistan, Singapore, Switzerland, United Kingdom, Italy, the Dominican Republic, the Philippines, Denmark. Languages: linguistics, bilingual, trilingual, polyglot, Portuguese, Mandarin, Bengali, Chinese, Hindi, Russian, Japanese, German, Punjabi, Thai, Persian, Filipino, French, Italian, Greek, French architecture and buildings, dome, palace, fort, castle, glasshouse, pyramid, log cabin, lighthouse, hut, skyscraper, sculpture. Homes: semi-detached house, duplex, terraced house, townhouse, row house, bungalow, thatched cottage, mobile home, houseboat, block of flats, apartment building, condominium, chimney, bedroom, basement, landlord, tenant, rent, lease, neighborhood, suburb, sofa, coffee table, dormitory, story, kitchen, refrigerator, microwave, ground floor, oven, hallway, insurance. In the city: cities, street, lane, city center, central station, car park, department store, bridge, temple, embassy, road system, hospital, garden, avenue, workplaces, clinic, dentist, reception, appointment, staff selection, colleague, workshop, showroom, information desk, employer, employment, unemployed, technical cooperation, team leaders, stress, ability, vision, confidence, employee, internship. Color: blue, white, orange, green, gray, black, red, yellow, purple, brown, pink. Expressions and time: 3 times per week, a gap year, full-time, part-time, midday, midnight, millennium, century, decade, fortnight. Other: passport photo, state, government, individual, variety, private sector, practice, gender, creativity, original inhabitant, indigenous, demonstration, strike, entrance, circuit, guarantee, dialogue. Commerce: carriage, narrative, chocolate, satellite, decision, prototype, attitude, daily routine, personal fulfillment, activity, recipient, ultrasound, pedestrian safety, traffic jams, procedures, creation. Prize: junior, senior, opportunity, driving license, process, literary, man-made, Republicans, umbrella, frequently updated, waiting list, sewer systems, liberal democracy, Democrats, lunar calendar, libertarian, burger, videos, nature conservation, life expectancy, fundraising event, magnet, dialect, ramification, straight, farewell, welfare, encyclopedia, evolution, revolution, illiteracy, robot, proficiency, sufficient. Color: blue, white, orange, green, gray, black, red, yellow, purple, brown, pink. Expressions and time: 3 times per week, a gap year, full-time, part-time, midday, midnight, millennium, century, decade, fortnight. Other: passport photo, state, government, individual, variety, private sector, practice, gender, creativity, original inhabitant, indigenous, demonstration, strike, entrance, circuit, guarantee, dialogue. Commerce: carriage, narrative, chocolate, satellite, decision, prototype, attitude, daily routine, personal fulfillment, activity, recipient, ultrasound, pedestrian safety, traffic jams, procedures, creation. Prize: junior, senior, opportunity, driving license, process, literary, man-made, Republicans, umbrella, frequently updated, waiting list, sewer systems, liberal democracy, Democrats, lunar calendar, libertarian, burger, videos, nature conservation, life expectancy, fundraising event, magnet, dialect, ramification, straight, farewell, welfare, encyclopedia, evolution, revolution, illiteracy, robot, proficiency, sufficient.